Hey guys, for our language lessons, when we ended up, not last week because we were on spring break, but the week before, we were talking about possessive pronouns. And we went over page 410 and talked about what they were telling us about using the possessive pronouns my, your, his, her, and its when something belongs to just one person. And when you use the word your, our, their is when something belongs to two or more people. So we did the practice, got to practice 1 through 4, and then you were supposed to do page 411 on your own. So number 1, where it says Jasmine takes blank dog for a walk, you should have chosen A, her. Number 2, you give blank rabbit some cards. Number 2, you should have chosen D, your. You give your rabbit some carrots. Cards. You give your rabbit some carrots. Number 3, Mr. Chin gives blank turtle fresh water. Number 3, you should have chosen his turtle. And for number 4, it says, choose the possessive pronoun and take the place of the underlined words. Here's a picture of Don's and my pet duck. So you have 2 people. So what should you have chosen? And I hope you chose C. Here's a picture of our pet duck. All right, now if we turn over to the next page 412, we're going to be talking about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns name an unknown person or thing. Mr. Brown took everybody to the museum. Do you know anything about dinosaurs? So it's like an unknown person or thing. It's not specific. So here are more indefinite pronouns. So they give you the pronoun, and then they gave you an example of that. Somebody. Did somebody lose this ticket? I need to ask someone about the space show. I saw something move in the butterfly garden. Did anybody leave a backpack on the bus? Nobody wanted to leave. So for guided practice, this is circle the correct pronoun to complete each sentence. Our hint, words that end with thing name unknown things. Words that end with body or one name unknown people, which makes sense if you think about it. Blank listened to a talk about the ocean. So we should have put, is that a person or a thing? Everybody. We learned blank about sharks. So is that going to be a thing or a person? Something about sharks. Blank feeds the seals and sea lions. Is a thing or a person going to feed the seals and lions? So somebody. And number 4, does blank have any questions? Is a thing or a person going to have questions? You should choose anybody. And you're going to finish page 413, and we will go over that tomorrow before we start talking about reflexive pronouns. Okay, remember, if it ends with thing, it's talking about a thing. You're replacing thing. If it ends with body, then you're talking about a person or a thing. All right,